Ka Frank Yamaha haka atpriu tarik benai risau arajar pesau kala pelong ya ka hybrid mileage challenge ka bedai ke jing kop nya skuti banyak tunjuk ya iwei pan mano bala banya ya ka skuti haka jinglut petrol ke bakam duna haka linti ya ke bakam jengai kemba lifesan poinsan kilometer banyak kini ke jing kop la sedang nak ke showroom jangka Yamaha ke badan hasar Nongpoh ya kini ke hybrid mileage challenge lawan ban penbet ban penyai du Sajid Hasan badi u area service manager uba indon lang pasa badi utrai jaga Frank Yamaha nang ta ba Michael Karhunai ubadi utrai ka YBC kinong penya jaga Frank Yamaha bat na Nongpoh hakini gejing kun kila dan shipong kinong nya skuti ki belawan ban menta bat shwa ban sedang ya gejing kun kinong penya kila pendap shwa da ke petrol ya ka skuti kenang bagan pensuk ban ken ya ke jinghiar ke petrol habaya linti na kini ke showroom shado umran bat phai biang sha kini ke showroom hadi melapoi ha showroom kinong penya kin pet pat ya ke jingjingai bagini ke skuti kiya bat kin thopat bakat no liter ke petrol ke bam bat yu nong job la pen bana tang ya ki bayai kham jingai ka kilometer bat ke petrol ke ba kiduna banyan haba phai sha ke result u Pynshailang Kirsia ulayo ra ya kanam job baningkong hagjing ya linti ke ba lifesan poinsan kilometer bat ulayo ya ke mileage ke balong pra punriu poinsan pupra bat u bayai sha scam singkli ulayo ra ya ke kerdan ke baar hagajing jingai ke balong lifesan poinsau kilometer bat ke mileage ke balong pra puar poin lai puar kat bau banket bok dingdo ulayo ya ke kerdan ke balai hagajing jingai ke ba lifesan point lai kilometer bat ke mileage ke balong prapu r point kendai na kalian kinong penya kila itu baling ba kini ke hybrid mileage challenge kipat ba kin satip shishu ba ke Yamaha kalong ke bapakatam na benta kalik kawan jongki baling ba kini ke challenge kin yo iru ba kini ke skuti bala penbi da ke Yamaha kan wanra ya ke jinglut ke baduna ba namar ki degi jat skuti ki babam duna ya ki petrol bat kanam kata ya kipat ba ki ba iet ba song tanat ya kini ke company Yamaha
Yes. Big round of applause. Three, two, one, go. Thank you very much. This was for Yamaha Hybrid Mileage Challenge. Anyone? Okay, you please take the cake and just from my side. Okay, you are the winner. Okay, you please half cut. You please half cut. Thank you very much. Hello, good afternoon everyone. This is Sajid Hassan from Yamaha company, and I am here for the beautiful event like the Hybrid Mileage Challenge activity that is conducted by Yamaha Motor, Frank Yamaha Shillong. So as you can see that the backdrop, we have a hybrid mileage challenge activity. In this activity, we have called 10 customers, okay, and we have given the chance to customers to take out the best mileage from their scooters, and we have adopting the fuel mileage calculation as per the standard of method that we have adopted. So right, for the top 3 winners, we have given the first one 2,000 and 3,000 rupees for the winners also along with the trophy. Every participant has got the certificate including the Yamaha tumbler provided by the Yamaha company. So it's been a great over here tonight. Everyone has been enjoyed a lot, and all the customers has been very much satisfied with their scooter performance. The highest, the winner is taken the 86 kmpl per liter, followed by 82 and followed by 81 point something. So this is all the expectation of the customers before starting these activities was something like that 40 or 50. After the activity, it was came to know that everybody is surprised. Oh, Yamaha RZR is giving so much of mileage. So it's been quite good. Our staff is very much delighted. Our sales team is very much delighted. Our dealer VIP is very much delighted. So it is not just the end in this kind of activity. We have to extend further. We have to extend further in our local team also, in our YBC network also, and in our different branches also. So I hope this activity will give us the momentum to improve the further sales of the scooter in the market of Shillong. So thanks for joining us. This is again, I am welcoming you on behalf of, thanks for joining and thanks for giving the time to the Yamaha team. So thank you everyone, and thank you Frank Yamaha Shillong, and thank you Yamaha. Thank you.
Tentang mimpi staff juga menjadi kena itu pada sini bagaimana dia tes kembali juga skuti ayo rap R.7 semua komen pengajar dalam pelayan kenal dengan tempat bersang bagian lagi beri baru jadi staff di partisipasi demi berhai masih mentalamnya
Nagalian dong ka Yamaha team ni Borokoi mentakasmi ayo orang tolong lagi ka hybrid mileage campaign na bila belum ini program ini awal ki customer layo kontes dalam khidmat ya diskusi ini jadi kasih coba saat ini saat itu mau ki customer dalam ini aktif ini bagi teman-teman kalau ki berjalan kontes pemerintah resmi dengan diskusi di bulan latest drive today 5 kilometer layo kembali sudah berapa kita so I beliau adalah company yang Yamaha kalau belum ini program ini sekian banyak respon dengan belum susu lapor kan bagi customer konduktif ya kami ya mileage yang mereka company I beli sini tim Borokoi di bawah nasional dengan Nongpoh di bawah dengan si kalau berbagai